Xena, why are you so scared? Xena! Come on! Say hello to the world! You're gonna be on YouTube! She's scared. She's scared of the little car. There's a car. There's a dog! Oh no. Oh, okay. Don't do that. You're gonna wind up getting stuck underneath the stove.
It's not my fault.
Look at her, she's so scared. Xena, come on. There's Xena. And that's the car. Where are you? There it is.
Just trying to get me on your legs. You're lucky this thing doesn't have friction. What happened to the growling? Oh, that's because I have it on.
She's afraid. Look, she's behind me. She's going around in circles. Poor baby. Xena. I guess you'd be afraid of a little mouse, huh?
And you said if you took her out for a walk, she'd protect you. Oh, yeah.
Well.
She's so freaking afraid of a little, extra car.
Alright, this video has ended. Say bye-bye! Say bye, Brian.
Bye.